I love the sound of a 5-inch straight pipe. But lately we've been doing a lot of towing with the 5th gen and the drone is getting old. But today, that's all gonna change. This is an actuated muffler from Glory Days Speed Shop called the Thunder Muzzle. This should allow us to go from full straight pipe to quiet muffled sound. Look at this, I've never seen this before. They actually have this plastic cover that goes over this beveled end because sometimes these get damaged in transport and then they're a pain in the ass to connect. That's quality. Okay, we got wiring. I wanna take this thing out and see it. You're too busy holding the camera, you can't help. Look at this thing. That is nice. So we're gonna quickly install this thing and do some sound comparisons. And we're also gonna run it on the dyno closed versus open and see if there's any power difference. So I don't even know how this thing works. Like, look at that, it's just a straight tube. Like that is a 5-inch straight pipe right now, the way it is. We're gonna hook it up on this, we're just gonna bench test it with a battery and we're gonna look at the inside and see how it actually actuates and redirects the sound. Okay, so straight pipe, full 5-inch straight pipe, or you divert it and it goes around into the actual muffler. That is so cool, man. That's cool. So you can control the level of sound by where you put the actuator. Because you can just go like this, and you can be like half, or you could go like all the way. That's so cool, man. Love that. I should also mention these things have lifetime warranty, and if you want one, I'll have a link and a discount code in the description. But I am stoked, dude. Like, let's get this thing on the truck and try it out, because this is gonna be rowdy. We got the Thunder Muzzle installed. I will say that we have installed a lot of parts in this shop, and that is one of the best made products I've ever had. We had no issues with it. The quality was great, but I don't know, do you want to get a clip of it and we'll just do one shot in the shop and then we'll go take it out on the street? May as well. And then after we take it out on the street, we're going to run on the dyno and see if there is a difference in, you know, having a wide open straight pipe or restricting your exhaust through a muffler. I'm going to twist it to close the muffler. Dude! Wow! That is crazy! I'm going to rev it here. That is absolutely insane. That is like night and day difference. I get pulled over a lot because I got the wide wheels and tires with no mud flaps, and oftentimes a traffic cop will also inspect my exhaust and give me another ticket for not having a muffler. So this way I can still have my straight pipe sound, but I can always dial it back and it passes inspection. This is gonna be awesome for towing though. When we drove to Kelowna, going up and down the mountains was just deafening on the ears. So this will be very nice for that. Let's go take it for a quick burn and then let's get on the dyno. Okay, I wanna see if I can notice any difference. Like right now, it's wide open, straight pipe. It sounds exactly the same as it did. That's crazy. Okay, let's close it. Oh my goodness. Instantly, it just goes away. That's crazy. You can still hear the exhaust brake a bit. That's nuts. That's insane. That works so good. That is absolutely insane, that difference. I am blown away at how different it is. But now it's dyno time. I've always been curious about this. I think a lot of people have been curious. I wonder if the muffler actually does lower horsepower, and we're about to find out. Okay, we're gonna do 2 runs with the muffler open, straight pipe, and then we're gonna do 2 runs with the muffler closed. Don't make fun of the low horsepower number right now, guys. I just have a 25 horsepower tow tune on the truck, okay? Okay. Okay, we got 390 horsepower and 382. Sometimes you do see a bit of a loss once it gets a little heat soaked, but let's see what happens when we close the exhaust valve now. I got PTSD seeing all these dash lights coming on right now saying like, no ABS, no traction control, none of that, because we almost lost the wheel bearing there in the last video if you saw it at the drag track. Anyways, here, let's go. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, 386 horsepower and 394 horsepower. Our best run was actually the last run. For torque, we're right around 810 foot-pounds, pretty much averaging there. So that's good news, guys. That means that if you do want to close your muffler off so that it's not loud, you're not sacrificing power and torque. I honestly thought we'd see a little bit of a loss, but that's great. That's awesome. Again, there's a discount code and a link to this muffler in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you on another video soon.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road